Welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. My name's Amber, and today I'm sharing with you this beautiful brunette wig. This is by Ellen Wille, and it's from Continental Wigs in the UK. This wig is from the Hair Power collection, and this cute, flippy, mid-length, bob-ish style is called Talent Mono. The color that you see right here is called Chocolate Mix, and the code for that is 63027. Here's the card. First of all, I love Chocolate Mix. I think it is a beautiful, beautiful brunette. If you are into medium brunette shades, this is very, very pretty. It's not overly highlighted, but it does have dimension. It's just a gorgeous brunette, a medium brunette. Not too dark, not too light. It's not exceptionally warm, but it's not ashy. Right in the middle, this is just a beautiful, luscious, chocolatey brown. So to get a little bit more technical with the color and its tones, it has a base of medium to dark brown with light reddish brown highlights. That's what you're seeing here, is these very subtle, light, reddish brown highlights. So you do have some warmth in there with those, small little highlights that you see, but it's not like overly chunky. It's not overly bright and bold. It's just enough to definitely give it some contrast and beautiful dimension. And I think it's beautiful. Very, very pretty. What do you guys think about Chocolate Mix? Who out there who is very into those brunette shades likes this color? I'm sure this is a go-to shade for my brunette hair sisters out there, so raise your hand, give me a thumbs up, let me know below if this is something that you would look into as far as the color. And let's move on to Talent Mono. I think that this is a very cute style, and honestly, Hair Power has always ran a little small on me. I wear an average size wig in most wig brands, but Hair Power in the Ellen Wille line is just slightly snug and slightly a little bit smaller on me from ear to ear. As you can see, when I pull this up, it doesn't quite 100% cover where like the ear tabs should travel down and cover like where a sideburn would be, kind of. So if my biological hair matched a little better to this medium to dark brown base, I could definitely pull out my biological hair like so, which I think I could probably still get away with doing with this here wig. And then what I would do is, although there is somewhat of a color difference between my natural hair color, which is kind of lighter and ashy, I would probably use some root touch-up powder or some hair fibers and fill in, not only because it's sparse, but because that added color from maybe a medium brown hair fiber will help to kind of blend the difference in shade with this wig, since it's not 100% my size. I feel like sometimes when you have a wig like this, where those ear tabs don't 100% reach down to that hairline, it's not always a negative thing in my opinion, because quite honestly, there are some people who actually remove the ear tabs on wigs because their intention is to always incorporate the biological hair that they have with the wigs that they wear. Now, if you have no biological hair, or if you choose to wear wig colors that is very, very different from your biological hair color, then you won't always be able to utilize, the hair around this area, and you'd want to be able to cover and conceal and have it look as real as possible without the utilization of any hair in this area of your own. But because I do have hair and because it doesn't fit my head perfectly, I do like to utilize this hair. And I personally think that regardless of whether this wig fit me perfectly or not, I would still probably pull out a little bit of this perimeter because I like the way it looks. Now, whether you have that hair or not, it's still a gorgeous wig. You do not need biological hair to have it look natural, real, and wonderful. This is just something that I like to do, and I just, you know, I've always liked doing it if I'm able to blend it. Now, I'm getting off on a tangent on wig sizes when we're supposed to be actually discussing the ins and outs of this beautiful Talent Mono. So let's move on. So Talent Mono is obviously this mid-length look. I consider this almost like a bob, but, you know, slightly longer. Definitely longer than chin length, but sits right at the shoulders, right above the shoulders. She has a lot of fun little flippy layers all throughout. On me, she wants to flip out and kind of have what I view as a modern retro vibe, because when I see hair that's flipped out like this, I think kind of retro, but then she has just some fullness and layers up here, and then with this side swept shorter bang, there's some more on-trend modern appeal to it. So all together with the flippy out, you know, this side swept layered bang, and then the layering all throughout, it's just a fun, layery, flippy style that I think is adorable. I think it's sassy, it's fun. I think it has a very sophisticated and cutesy look. Anyway, what do you guys think about this wig, especially in this chocolate mix? I think it's a good combo. I think it's adorable. I also wanted to point out that this style is super cute pulled up. I mean, just even pulling this cute style up and away from the face changes the look of it, the style. And because it does have that lace front and that monofilament top, you have options to do all sorts of fun styling with it. The options are limitless. Braids, twists, you know, pulled up half, pulled up all the way. I do think there's enough length that you could try even doing a tiny, cute little flippy ponytail. You'd have a lot of fun with this cute thing. Very, very cute. This wig is nice and light at only 3.2 ounces. She also has, like I said earlier, open wefted back in this cap construction, so that adds to that breathable, nice air ventilation feeling. So if you are into those shorter, light, airy wigs, this might be a fantastic fit for you. All right, so I just took that clip out and I'm going to do a turnaround of this cute wig. Don't you guys just love, these layers? The volume is really pretty. I do love the fibers on these hair power wigs. They look and feel like human hair, but this is synthetic. This is ready to wear, straight out of the box, wash and go. This cute flippy style is baked into your wig. Wash, shake, dry, you're ready to go. That is very convenient. It's so nice. I love human hair, but I do love the convenience and the ease of these cute, amazing synthetic wigs. And they look so real. The quality is so great, and just love them. Okay, so let's take her off and talk about the inside of the cap construction. Okay, so like I was saying, Ellen Wille Hair Power Collection, this wig is considered petite average. This has Ellen Wille's monofilament top and lace front. I noticed the lace front is really nice, nice and sheer. So I'll give you a look at that. This is their mono lace, so it extends into their mono top. This allows for off-the-face styling, multi-directional parting. You have all that room and ability to part the hair and style the hair as if it's your own. I love having this ability because I feel like you are more able to wear the hair and, you know, just feel like it's part of you, and it just looks more realistic in my opinion. Now behind that mono top, there's this area right here. I'm going to check and see if there's a little bit of permatease right in that section. And it looks like there's just, I mean, very, very slight minimal tease in like an inch section behind the monofilament right at the crown. So hardly at all. And it's actually just at the very root of your open wefts. So, I mean, many people want to know, is there any permatease? If you look at the monofilament and then you look behind this closed section right here, closed wefts, those wefts just have a little bit of tease right at the roots, and then below that it's open wefted, which allows for that breathable feeling and lots of air circulation. These fibers are nice and light, very realistic and natural looking and feeling. You have these soft velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire, and you have this extended velvet nape and these adjustable straps to make sure that this wig fits your head nice and snug and more true to size. Okay, so let's put her back on. She's cute because you can style her off and away from the face, do more of a side swept, side part, any way that you'd like with this lace front and mono top. Alright, so the bang on Talent Mono is 7.5 inches. I like the length of this bang. You have plenty to work with, plenty to, you know, pull back, play with, style back if you want to. But I do love the length of this bang. The crown on Talent Mono is also 7.5 inches. Your sides are 7.75 inches. And your nape on Talent Mono is 6.5 inches. You guys can get this cute Talent Mono wig along with many other Ellen Wille styles and other brands as well over there at Continental Wigs, UK. They do ship all over the place, and you can get free shipping if you use the code FABFREE when you check out. So I will have all those links down below. I will have the link to all of their social media platforms, and make sure that you sign up for their newsletter. So if they have sales and specials and holiday, you know, things going on, you guys will be aware and notified of all those specials and discounts that happen. And then you can use that discount code as well for free shipping. Come on, roll in the deals, roll them in, and that's what we want to do here. So anyway, links below. Let me know what you think about this cute wig, and give me your thoughts. All right. Well, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.